Did you know that over 200,000 seniors are treated in emergency rooms each year for bathroom-related injuries? That's a shocking number, and today we're going to uncover one of the biggest, yet simplest, mistakes that leads to these accidents. Stick with me, because what you learn today could literally save a life. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that is incredibly important but often overlooked: bathroom safety for our beloved seniors. The bathroom is statistically the most dangerous room in the house for older adults. From slippery surfaces to hard fixtures, it's a place where a simple slip can lead to a serious injury. But what if I told you that one of the most common mistakes is not what you think? It's not just about wet floors. It's something many people do every single day without a second thought. Understanding and correcting these small habits can make a huge difference in preventing falls and keeping our loved ones safe and independent in their own homes. We owe it to them and to ourselves to get this right. So let us get into it and explore how we can turn the most dangerous room into one of the safest. So what is this critical mistake that so many seniors are making? It's using unstable objects for support. I'm talking about towel racks, toilet paper holders, and even the sink vanity itself. Think about it. When feeling a little unsteady, what's the natural instinct? You reach out and grab the nearest thing. In a bathroom, that's often a towel rack mounted on the wall or the edge of the sink. But here's the problem. These items were never designed to support a person's body weight. A towel rack is typically held in place by a couple of small screws, often just into drywall. When an adult, even a lightweight one, suddenly puts their full weight on it while trying to prevent a fall, that rack can rip right out of the wall. The result? The person not only falls, but often falls with more force because their support suddenly gave way. They might also get injured by the broken fixture itself. Similarly, leaning heavily on a pedestal sink or the shower door can be just as dangerous. These items are not load-bearing supports. This single, seemingly innocent habit is a major contributor to devastating falls. It's a prevalent issue because it's an instinctive reaction, but it's an instinct that can lead to disaster in a room full of hard surfaces. Now, why does this happen so often? Let's break down the reasons. First, there's a simple lack of awareness. Many people, both seniors and their families, just don't realize how weak these fixtures are. A towel rack looks sturdy, it's bolted to the wall, so it feels like it should hold you. It's a common misconception. We install them and forget that their only job is to hold a towel, not a person. Another factor is gradual physical change. As we age, our balance, strength, and mobility can decline slowly over time. Someone might not feel unsteady enough to warrant installing proper grab bars. They think, I'm fine, I just need a little something to hold on to now and then. So they rely on what's already there, not recognizing that their need for support has subtly increased. There's also an environmental component. Many bathrooms, especially in older homes, simply weren't built with aging in mind. They are often small, cramped spaces without clear, safe places to hold on. The layout itself can force a person to reach for the nearest, albeit unsafe, object when maneuvering around the toilet or getting in and out of the tub. It's this combination of misconception, gradual physical decline, and a poorly designed environment that creates the perfect storm for this dangerous habit to form and persist. So how do we fix this? The solution is straightforward but requires proactive action. Install proper, professionally rated grab bars. This is the single most effective change you can make to improve bathroom safety. And I'm not talking about the suction cup grab bars you see in some stores. While they might seem like an easy fix, they can create a false sense of security and fail under pressure, just like a towel rack. You need grab bars that are securely mounted into the wall studs. An expert will tell you that the placement is just as important as the installation. A vertical bar next to the shower entrance helps with stepping in and out. A horizontal bar along the long wall of the shower provides stability while bathing. And a bar next to the toilet is crucial for safely sitting down and standing up, one of the most common times people lose their balance. I spoke with a certified aging-in-place specialist last week, and she shared a powerful story. A client's father had fallen twice, both times trying to use the sink to pull himself up. After they installed 3 strategically placed grab bars, he told his daughter he felt like a new man, confident and secure in his own bathroom for the first time in years. This isn't just about preventing falls. It's about restoring dignity and independence. The investment in proper grab bars pays for itself 1,000 times over by preventing a single trip to the emergency room. To wrap things up, let's remember the key takeaway. The simple, instinctive act of using towel racks, sinks, or toilet paper holders for support is a huge and preventable risk for seniors. These fixtures are not designed to hold body weight and can fail when needed most. The solution is clear and proven. Install professionally rated grab bars in strategic locations around the toilet, tub, and shower. It's a proactive step that transforms the bathroom from a danger zone into a safe space, promoting confidence and independence. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have you seen this issue in your own home or with a loved one? Do you have any other bathroom safety tips to share? Please leave a comment below. Your experience could help someone else in our community. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on senior safety and healthy aging. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.